Class, we've already learned to count by 5s and by 10s. Remember when we first counted by 10s, we held up 2 hands, and if we counted each finger, we know that we had 10 fingers. And with our class, we went 10, 20, 30, 40 as a quicker way of counting all the fingers in our class. Then we took those fingers down to 1 hand each, and we had 5 fingers on 1 hand. And we know that we can count by 5s if we went 5, 10, the next kid 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on, counting by 5s. Well, this last week you were introduced to count another way of counting group items, and that was counting by 2's. Remember the story of Noah in the ark and how each animal came to Noah 2 by 2's, 2 of each animal. And that was one way of counting all the animals. Well, I'm going to show you another way today. Let's look at our little Lego friends. This makes me think of our class, how we would line up boys on one side and girls on the other side, except I think you were switched. Well, these kids are lining up to go use the restroom and then go outside for recess. Let's count how many kids are in our class if we just count by our normal ones. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 students, but there's a quicker way. If I needed to count super quick and you all were lined up, I would count by 2's. Notice how many kids are in the front? 2. 1, 2. Instead of going 3, 4, I would count by 2's. I would do 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll do it again. 2, 4 kids, 6 kids, 8 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a quicker way would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 kids. Last week with Mrs. Reese in the Abeka video, she taught you to say 2, 4, 6, 8, and that's because counting by patterns, it's also called skip counting. That helps you to count quicker. Let's go over skip counting. Look up at the chart here. I brought this home so I could better show you. If I skip the first number, I start at 0, I skip 1, there's 2. I skip 3, 4, skip 5, 6, 8, 10. So just skipping like a little leapfrog. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Just skipping, jumping over number. It's like these people. So if I had 2, and then the next people, 4 people. That's kind of like it works. So let's look at our chart today following the 2, 4, 6, 8 pattern. This is something that you'll just have to kind of memorize using the chart to help you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. That's another way to count pairs of things, is called skip counting. Following a 2, 4, 6, 8 pattern. Count with me one last time before we go, and that'll give you some good practice for you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. And 50 is where we'll stop for now. Just learn to recognize this pattern of 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do I appreciate? My K-5 class. I sure love each of you. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.